Once upon a time, in a serene village nestled amidst lush green mountains, there lived a humble monk named Koji. Koji was known far and wide for his gentle smile, kind heart, and unwavering gratitude. His days were spent in quiet contemplation, tending to the monastery garden and offering prayers of thanks for the abundance that surrounded him. One crisp autumn morning, as the golden sun rose over the horizon, Koji embarked on a journey through the forest to visit a nearby village. Along the way, he encountered a weary traveler who appeared burdened with worry. "Good morning, friend," greeted Koji with a warm smile. "What troubles you on this beautiful day?" The traveler sighed heavily and replied, "I am plagued by misfortune and despair. My crops have failed, and my family struggles to make ends meet. I fear that we will not survive the harsh winter ahead." Koji listened attentively, his heart filled with compassion for the traveler's plight. He gently placed a hand on the traveler's shoulder and said, "In times of darkness, it is important to seek the light within. Even in the face of adversity, there is always something to be grateful for." The traveler looked puzzled, unable to comprehend Koji's words. "But what is there to be grateful for when all seems lost?" he questioned. Koji smiled serenely and gestured toward the forest around them. "Look around you," he said. "Notice the vibrant colors of the leaves, the sweet melody of the birds, and the gentle rustle of the wind through the trees. These are the gifts of nature, freely given to us each day." As they continued their journey, Koji encouraged the traveler to cultivate a spirit of gratitude in his heart. He taught him to find joy in the simple pleasures of life: a warm ray of sunlight, a cool breeze on a hot day, a smile from a stranger passing by. As they approached the village, the traveler's demeanor began to shift. His steps became lighter, and a glimmer of hope sparkled in his eyes. "Thank you, Koji," he said with a grateful smile. "You have shown me the power of gratitude, even in the darkest of times." Together, they entered the village, where Koji's presence brought comfort and inspiration to all who crossed his path. He shared his wisdom freely, teaching others to embrace gratitude as a guiding principle in their lives. As the seasons turned and the years passed, Koji's reputation as a wise and compassionate monk grew far and wide. People from distant lands traveled to seek his counsel and learn from his teachings. One day, a wealthy merchant arrived at the monastery, seeking Koji's guidance on how to find true happiness. "I have amassed great wealth and material possessions," the merchant confessed, "but still, I feel empty inside. What must I do to find fulfillment?" Koji listened intently to the merchant's words, his heart brimming with compassion. "True happiness cannot be found in the pursuit of worldly wealth," he explained gently. "It resides within the depths of your own heart, waiting to be discovered through the practice of gratitude." The merchant pondered Koji's words deeply, realizing that he had been searching for happiness in all the wrong places. Inspired by the monk's wisdom, he resolved to cultivate a spirit of gratitude in his life, focusing not on what he lacked, but on the abundance that surrounded him. With Koji's guidance, the merchant embarked on a journey of self-discovery, learning to find joy in the simple moments of each day. As he embraced gratitude as a way of life, his heart overflowed with happiness and contentment. In time, the merchant's newfound happiness spread far and wide, touching the lives of all who crossed his path. He became known not only for his wealth, but for his generosity, kindness, and unwavering gratitude. And so, the power of gratitude continued to weave its magic through the lives of all who encountered it, transforming darkness into light, despair into hope, and emptiness into fulfillment. And amidst it all, Koji remained a beacon of wisdom and compassion, guiding others along the path of gratitude with his gentle smile and kind heart.